Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the Cooler Master NSE 300 Tower chassis, a sleek and versatile mid-tower case designed to elevate your PC building experience. With support for both ATX and micro-ATX motherboards, this case offers flexibility to accommodate various build sizes. Let's talk about connectivity. The front I/O panel boasts a USB 3.0 port along with two USB 2.0 ports, making it convenient to connect your peripherals. Plus, with separate microphone and audio jacks supporting both AC97 and HD audio, you're all set for immersive gaming or crystal-clear voice chats. Now, let's discuss airflow. The NSE 300 supports up to 8 fans, with two pre-installed 120mm fans for optimal cooling right out of the box. Whether you're a hardcore gamer pushing your rig to the limits or a content creator handling demanding tasks, this case ensures your components stay cool under pressure. Storage options are plentiful with support for up to 8 HDDs or SSDs, including two toolless drive bays for hassle-free installation. No need to sacrifice storage capacity for speed or vice versa. The NSE 300 has you covered. When it comes to compatibility, this case can accommodate graphics cards up to 320mm and CPU coolers up to 164mm in height, giving you plenty of room for high-performance components. One feature worth highlighting is the dust filter located under the PSU, simplifying maintenance and ensuring your system stays clean for optimal performance over time. In terms of aesthetics, the NSE 300 sports a sleek design, with a minimalist color scheme, making it suitable for any indoor or outdoor setup. Overall, the Cooler Master NSE 300 Tower chassis stands out as a top choice for PC builders seeking a balance of performance, versatility, and style. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a first-time builder, this case offers everything you need to create the ultimate gaming or workstation setup. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.